How to use permanent press on your washing machine. If you want to keep your clothes looking fresh and wrinkle-free, the permanent press cycle on your washing machine is a great option. Let's break down how to use it effectively. Start by sorting your laundry. Group similar fabrics and colors together to prevent any color bleeding. This step is essential for maintaining the quality of your clothes. Next, load your washing machine. Make sure not to overfill it. Leaving enough space allows your clothes to move freely, ensuring a thorough clean. Now it's time to add detergent. Use the right amount based on your load size. Too much detergent can leave residue, while too little may not clean effectively. After that, select the permanent press cycle on your washing machine. This cycle typically uses warm water, which helps relax the fabric fibers. The permanent press cycle also features a slower spin speed. This reduces agitation, which is what often causes wrinkles. After washing, the rinse cycle usually uses cold water. This helps set the fabric and further minimizes creasing. Once the cycle is complete, promptly remove your clothes. Leaving them sitting damp can lead to more wrinkles. For the best results, check the care labels on your garments. Some items may need special handling, like air drying instead of using the dryer. If you transfer your clothes to the dryer, select the permanent press cycle there as well. This cycle uses medium heat and includes a cool-down period. This combination helps prevent wrinkles from setting in. Using this method can save you time on ironing later. The permanent press cycle is perfect for fabrics that wrinkle easily, such as synthetic blends and casual professional wear. It is gentler than a normal wash cycle but more thorough than delicate cycles. This makes it suitable for everyday clothing that you want to keep looking crisp. By using the permanent press cycle, you can maintain your wardrobe's neatness with less effort. It helps extend the life of your garments by reducing stress during washing and drying. This means you can enjoy your clothes longer without the extra work of ironing.